Looking for ways to make your home office more comfortable and efficient? As we navigate the digital age, crafting an ideal working environment is more crucial than ever. A well-thought-out desk setup can heighten productivity, inspire creativity, and make the work-from-home experience enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned telecommuter or just starting out, the right desk setup can dramatically shape your workday. So, are you ready to reimagine your workspace? Let's dive right into these fantastic desk setup ideas that will transform your home office. First up, we have the ergonomic workstation design. This is all about creating a workspace that molds to your body and your needs, not the other way around. Imagine a chair that cradles your spine, a desk that adjusts to your height, and all your essentials within easy reach. That's the power of ergonomics. Posture support is crucial to avoid those pesky neck and back pains. A well-chosen chair can make all the difference, supporting your lower back and promoting good posture. Now let's talk about the importance of a comfortable seating arrangement. Spending hours on a hard, uncomfortable chair? No thank you. Adjustable features are another key element. An adjustable desk can cater to your specific needs, whether you're sitting or standing. And finally, healthy work habits. Regular breaks, eye exercises, and even a bit of stretching can go a long way in maintaining your health. Remember, your health is your wealth, even at work. Next, let's explore the compact office setup. When working with a smaller space, every square inch counts, and space-saving furniture becomes your best ally. Think of foldable desks, wall-mounted shelves, or even multifunctional pieces that can serve as both a desk and storage. Now, on to small office designs. Here, the key is to maximize your layout. Place your desk near a window for natural light, and utilize corners for shelving or storage. Taking a minimalist approach is also beneficial in a compact office. Keep only what's necessary on your desk, and remember that less is more. This reduces clutter and creates a more focused workspace. Lastly, let's talk about clever storage solutions. Vertical storage, hidden compartments, or using pegboards can significantly increase your storage capacity without consuming too much space. With the right setup, even the smallest spaces can become productive havens. Moving on, let's talk about desk organization systems. A well-structured desk is not just about aesthetics, it's fundamentally about productivity and efficiency. Picture this, your desk brimming with storage options. Think desk drawers, filing cabinets, and even overhead shelves. These are indispensable tools for keeping your workspace tidy and your mind clear. But what about the smaller stuff? That's where desk organizers come in. Pen holders, paper trays, and binder clips can transform a chaotic desk into an orderly haven. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: paperwork. Filing solutions are the unsung heroes of desk organization. A good filing system can make document retrieval a breeze and save you from the stress of lost or misplaced papers. Remember, a clutter-free desk leads to a clutter-free mind. An organized workspace not only enhances your efficiency, but also reduces unnecessary stress. A well-organized desk is the first step to a well-organized mind. Lastly, let's look at tech-integrated desks. These marvels of modern office design bring together functionality and technology in a seamless blend. Imagine a desk that's smart, just like your phone. These desks come equipped with built-in technology, from wireless charging pads to touch-sensitive controls. Now let's talk about cable management. The bane of any desk setup is the clutter of tangled cables. Tech-integrated desks solve this problem with clever cable management systems designed to keep your workspace neat and orderly. No more wasted time untangling cords or looking for that elusive charging cable. But the real game changer here is connectivity. Tech-integrated desks offer multiple connectivity solutions, including USB ports and Bluetooth compatibility. This means you can connect all your devices with ease, streamlining your workflow and promoting efficiency. Embrace technology, and it will make your work life easier. So, there you have it. We've journeyed through the principles of ergonomic workstation design, ensuring comfort and health are at the forefront of your home office. We've explored compact office setups, maximizing space without compromising functionality. We've delved into the world of desk organization systems, keeping your workspace tidy and efficient. And we've embraced the future with tech-integrated desks, bringing connectivity and convenience to your fingertips. With these desk setup ideas, you're well on your way to creating a home office that you'll love. Happy organizing!